Social media analytics can be a powerful tool to guide your current and future campaigns in the right direction. Just like social listening, you'll use analytics to help you make better decisions, solve problems, improve performance, and understand your audience. With social listening, the information you gather is qualitative. Qualitative data describes qualities or characteristics. It is data gathered through observation, such as listening to the language people use when talking about your business. Analytics, on the other hand, looks at quantitative data. Quantitative data is the information that can be counted or compared on a numeric scale. It's data you can measure numerically, such as the number of clicks on a platform in a certain time period. Analytics will be a crucial component of all of your marketing efforts. Imagine you developed and launched a social media campaign for your company's latest product. To find out how your audience is receiving your campaign, you might want to learn some specifics. What percentage of your followers interacted with your post? How many people watched your videos? Social media analytics can help you answer these questions. Social media analytics is a process of tracking, collecting, and analyzing data from social media platforms to improve an organization's strategic business decisions. Let's discuss the different ways in which social media analytics can support your campaigns. To begin with, social media analytics can help you better understand your audience. Using analytics, you can learn which types of content result in the best audience engagement. And analyzing audience engagement with posts shows you when your audience is most active online. This can help you determine the best time to post on different platforms. You can also draw insights from data to inform your platform choices. As we've discussed, your content may perform better on some platforms than on others. Using analytics, you can measure your engagement, traffic, and sales on different platforms. You can then use this information to decide which platforms to publish on and how to prioritize your time on different platforms. You can focus more of your time on the platforms that are giving you the best performance. Through analytics, you can learn what content drives the best results. For example, you can monitor whether images, videos, or links do better on particular platforms, or which type of images perform best. Some platforms like Facebook and Twitter have analytics tools that show you what type of content received the highest level of engagement. Analytics can help you learn from your competitors too. Twitter, for instance, allows you to analyze all public conversations on the platform. Analyzing your competitors' data allows you to evaluate what they do well and what mistakes they make. This can inform how you adapt and improve your own content and strategy. Social media analytics also allows you to measure your social media ROI, return on investment, for your clients. If your goal is to increase brand awareness, for example, you might use analytics tools to measure how many followers you've gained on different platforms in a given time period. Presenting this data to your stakeholders helps prove the effectiveness of your social media campaigns. The insights you gain from analytics can help you improve your social media strategy. Analytics helps you understand what is working well in your social media strategy and what is not as effective. This allows you to better focus your time, efforts, and budget. For example, you can use analytics to compile demographic information about your target audience on social media. This can help you refine your marketing tactics for that audience. A number of social media platforms have analytics tools that enable you to collect and evaluate data from their site. There are also many social media analytic tools available to help you track performance across multiple platforms and create reports. Examples include Google Analytics, Sprout Social, Hootsuite Analytics, and Buffer Analyze. We'll talk more about the tools like these later in this lesson. Social media analytics helps you better understand your brand, your audience, and your competitors. By analyzing the data, you can refine your social media strategies to help achieve your goals and objectives. Coming up, we'll discuss common social media metrics to track.